Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. We are down to the wire, just about 4 videos left. This would be in the 4. And I am sad that the series is going to end, but I know that we have so much to look forward to in 2024. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so as always, I'm going to use my POD framework, idea, research, platform, product, and design. The idea that we'll be talking about today is to explore the potential of custom printed promotional products for businesses, including branded merchandise and corporate gifts. So some of the ideas that you can do with your research is to create magnets for your business, nonprofit, or your event for keepsake and free advertisement. This is a long dated promotional tactic that I feel still works because I love magnets on my fridge. A fridge is nothing without a magnet. And a lot of times when I do get a magnet from something or it has business information on it that I know I would use, I keep it. Even the ones with the calendar, I keep it. All right, so the site that we're going to use platform today is Printify. And we, of course, are going to use their die cut magnets. The design I chose was my Smile For Me design that is also available on my YouTube channel. You guys can get the magnet, you guys can get the shirt, the hoodie, I think the t-shirt as well. So if you would like to support my channel, go ahead and purchase from my store dashboard. So I created this in Canva initially, but this is like my logo for my t-shirts. All right, and here is the die cut magnet on a fridge and just showing you the outline of how it would cut out around the letters. And that's what it means when it says die cut. If I was to just get like a circle magnet or a square, it would just be a circle and lots of white area around these different words. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.